Welcome friends to my channel Neeraj Kapse. Today we are going to see how you can install WD SSD hard disk to your old laptop. So currently I am holding here Western Digital Green SSD SATA. It is a solid state drive. The size of this particular drive is 240 GB. Okay, on the back end side you will get it details about this. Manufacturer of this is Western Digital. Then the read write speed is about 545 MB per second. It's written over here, and you can observe here the size of this particular hard disk is 2.5 inch, that is 7 mm solid state drive SSD. Okay, so we'll open first this particular hard drive and then we'll see. You can get the discounted buying link in my video description, so you can buy it from there. Okay, so you'll get user manual or a technical guide, reference guide. Okay, and here you'll have a very lightweight 240 GB SSD hard disk, that is 2.5 inch. Okay, and there is one sticker mentioned there, remove before installing. Just remove it before installing this particular hard drive to your laptop. You can use this in your desktop computer as well as in the laptop. Okay, so we'll see how we can install this 240 GB SSD. Just remove this only the hard drive slot. So from the back side you have to remove this particular slot. So once you take it out, once you take out this particular slot, you will get your old hard disk is here. So you have to remove the screws of this. So there are 4 screws at the top, so you have to remove this screws. Okay, after removing 1 2 3 4 screws, so here it is a metal plate, so you have to remove this particular plate. So this is for safety. We need to attach this particular plate to the SSD hard drive. This is I am having a regular hard disk of Toshiba I am holding. Okay, so I have just removed it from here. Now I will take SSD. So SSD is available here. I need to fix first this thing, plate on this. So you have to attach the plate like this. Okay, it's done with this plate attachment. There are 4 screws. You have to fix again the 4 screws and tighten it. Now I have fixed this plate. This is top plate, and SSD is written on the hard drive. This is the WD 240 GB SSD solid state drive. Okay, here these are the connectors. We need to fix like this. So you have to do first insert like this here. Okay, fix it. Then there is a pull available, so you have to fix like this and then just press it inside. Okay, so this will be fixed. Okay, once it's attached, it is done. You have to put like this and attach the external shield or external cap on this and tight with the screws. Okay, so that's it, and we need to install the OS on this as well. Okay, we'll see how you can install OS and how it looks and what is the booting time within a short video. You can use this particular old hard drive as a portable hard drive. You will get a USB case for this as well, and you can fix that this particular old hard drive. If it is okay, then you can use it as a portable. Okay, so now I will show you how you can install the OS and how what is the booting speed of this particular thing. So I have fixed it with old Vaio. So it is old laptop, Sony Vaio, and I have just removed the regular hard drive and installed the new one. For installing the OS, we need to go to the boot menu, and we have to enable this external device boot has been enabled, and we have to set the external device priority as a 1. Okay, then secondly we have internal hard disk, internal optical drive, and network drive. So you have to do the boot priority as external device as first priority. So save this particular thing. For saving this, you need to press F10. So here it is F10 key. We need to press this F10. It asks you for save configuration. Click on S. So once you hit the S button, it boots up immediately. Operating system is not found. Okay, so I'm going to restart again and then boot from the pen drive. Currently the Windows is loading, so I'm just installing Windows 7. This is an old laptop, that's why it will fix up with Windows 7. So we need to do Windows 7 installation. So you need to follow the installation steps of a Windows, then your hard drive will be ready to use. Okay, thank you for listening. You will find the buying link in the description window, and if you are not subscribed my channel yet, please press subscribe button. Also press notification bell icon for next upcoming updates, and if you like this particular video, please hit the like button. Thank you. Please do comment and share this video. Thank you for listening.